So guys, I have said this before and I will say it again that natural organic ingredients are the best beauty products out there. They are safe to use, they are kind to your skin, they are kind to your hair, and the best thing is that in the long run there are no negative repercussions. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you 5 organic hair care products that actually work and are absolutely brilliant, especially if you're experiencing hair loss or if you have extremely damaged frizzy hair. Just keep watching because you are about to discover some things beautiful. A lot of people, they experience massive hair loss, massive hair fall when they're shampooing their hair. When you shampoo your hair or when you're washing off the conditioner, you might notice huge chunk of hair falling. This is a very good alternative for those people. So first I'll talk about the hair cleanser. Now this is an organic hair cleanser from the brand The Tribe Concepts. You might have heard about this brand The Tribe Concepts before. They also make skincare products, and I've noticed the products are actually powder based or oil based. They just are, they're powder or oil form, like very natural raw forms, and the ingredients are very fresh, very clean, very pure. So when you're using it, you can actually smell it, you can actually feel it. So this particular hair cleanser, where it contains ingredients like shikakai, soft nuts, hibiscus, amla, and a whole bunch of similar things, and using this is very, very simple. Just take about 4 spoonfuls of this, mix this in about 1/4 mug of water. Apply this all over your hair, all over your scalp, all over the ends of your hair. Then massage it gently for about 1 to 2 minutes. After massaging this, wash it off in plain water, and that's it. So using this is very simple. Just mix the powder with some water, massage and wash it off. So right after the first use itself, when you use it for the first time, and trust me, I have seen so many people actually use this product. I know a lot of people who have recommended this to personally as well. They have told me that right from the first use itself, when you're washing this off your hair, the hair fall reduces immediately right from the first use, which is so satisfying. And of course, once you start using it regularly, you see a much bigger difference because there's less buildup of chemicals on your scalp. It also helps in dealing with dandruff, psoriasis, and here's how my hair was looking the last time I shampooed my hair or rather cleansed my hair using this product. And talking about a conditioner replacement, which is also from the same brand, The Tribe Concepts, this is a root strengthening and conditioning hair mask which contains ingredients like bringraj, hibiscus, and licorice. Now this is again in a powder form. Like I told you, this brand mostly has products in powder forms or oil forms and things like that. So using this is again very, very simple. You can either mix this with water or curd. The brand also suggests that you can use it with coconut milk, green tea, but I just don't feel like making that kind of an effort, so it's totally up to you. I like to mix this with curd and apply it all over my hair, all over my scalp, like a regular hair mask. After applying this, just massage it for a few minutes and then let it sit for about 30 more minutes. Wash it off with water. You do not need any shampoo, any conditioner, and with time you will notice that your hair is actually getting stronger and better. Once again, right from the first wash itself, you will see a difference in how much hair fall is there. It will reduce tremendously, and with time, your hair will actually start behaving a lot better. So there are a lot of brands these days selling DIY ingredients, but I've seen that Alps Goodness is one brand which is the most versatile of all. Some of my favorite DIY ingredients for hair, first of all, has to be curry leaf powder, guys. Curry leaf is so great for your hair follicles, it's great for strengthening your hair, it's great for adding a shine to your hair. Another great DIY ingredient which I have been specially digging off late is the Alps Goodness banana powder. So again, they're just a bunch of ingredients really. There are a lot many more ingredients. If I start talking about each one of the ingredients from Alps Goodness, this video will probably end up being hours long, which I don't want. But yeah, if you follow my channel, you know about some of these DIYs, and DIYs are so awesome for the hair, right? So this is the Rust Neem Oil which I randomly picked up from Amazon one day, and I'm loving this product, this brand so much. So using neem oil has a lot of benefits for your hair. If you have itchy scalp, if you have flaky dandruff, or if you just have dandruff problems, if you have scalp infections. So using it is very, very simple. You can either use it as it is, or you can just mix it with a little bit of coconut oil and then massage it onto your scalp. Leave it like this for about 2 hours and then wash it off with an anti-dandruff shampoo. Another organic hair care product that really works is aloe vera gel. So you can use aloe vera gel directly from the leaves for what I'm just gonna tell you. However, if that's not possible, like even I don't have aloe vera leaf with me right now, you can actually go for any aloe vera gel in the market which is 99% pure. Aloe vera gel first of all can help in dealing with frizzy hair. If you have extremely dehydrated scalp, it can help with that. Now aloe vera gel is easy to wash off. You can use a mild shampoo, or if you want, just like I'm just sharing a very simple routine here. If you want to follow it. When you're washing off aloe vera gel, instead of using a chemical based shampoo, you can use an organic hair cleanser from the Tribe Concepts, which I just talked about initially in the video. So after you have cleaned, shampooed, washed your hair, while your hair is still damp, just take a few drops, not more than 3-4 drops of argan oil, massage it like on your palms like this, in the sense that, you know, kind of don't spread it on your palms really well, and then very gently just apply it on your damp hair like a leave-in serum. That's all. You don't have to shampoo it off again, you don't have to wash it off, it just works as a leave-in serum. So when you start using argan oil regularly, what happens is that, you know, first of all, it makes your hair elastic, it makes your hair more shiny. It also makes your hair stronger, less brittle, less frizzy. It has so many benefits, guys. So yes guys, all the links will be in the description box below if you want to check them out. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any favorite organic hair care products that you want to talk about or that you want to let me know about, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now.